So, right, let's get this started. Basically, this video is going to be about what I see the perfect girl as. Everyone has their own opinion, but this is my version, I guess. I think the most important thing about a girl has to be her personality. For me, my personality is rather chilled and laid back. Like, I'd rather sit in my own house with the girl watching a film instead of going to the cinema, spending unnecessary amounts of money on popcorn that's got pissy hands all over it. And just wasting a lot of time queuing up. Like, what's the point in queuing up for a film? They should just have fucking free tickets and you just go in. Fuck making money. Ask Bill Gates for some, he's got enough. But anyway, I'm rather chilled. Like, I wouldn't go out of my way on purpose just to impress a girl. If the way I try my best to impress girls, and it's worked quite well for me. I mean, I'm not saying you should definitely do this. Everyone has their own little way, but one that's worked for me is just being yourself. Just be yourself. It's all about who you actually are as a person. If people don't like who you are as a person, you're fucked. You're fucked. Yeah, just personality. Second of all, looks. I'm not a judgmental person. I mean, lucky for me, I've got quite beautiful eyes. You can't really see them. First impressions are always important. The way a girl looks, if she catches your eye straight away, then you know you've got to try and get on that, you know? Fashion as well. A girl's fashion is really important for me. You can't be seeing her walk around in some slutty little outfit, like the tops all rolled up to there, showing off her little skinny belly, and wearing these short shorts that are only that fucking big. Like, I've got boxes longer than your shorts. Are you serious? That's not good. And you try and get a good guy to look after you, to take care of you, and you're wearing shorts smaller than his boxes. That just says slut. But yeah, fashion's definitely a big part. Like, you'll always see that one girl who's always on trend. I'm not just talking about clothes, like the way she does her makeup and the way she styles her hair, and it's just little things that are set out to impress someone without looking fake or slutty. It's really hard, and some girls get it really wrong, but there's a couple girls that I know especially that just get it perfect, and then you're just looking at them like, basically three important things that I need from a girl in order for me to become interested enough to want to get to know her, maybe date her a couple times, you know. Okay, first of all, personality is a big thing. Every girl has her own personality. You just need to find those with the perfect personality for you. Second thing, I'll bun this anyway. Fashion. She has to be fashionable, keeping up with trends, looking hot. Third thing, she can't be a fake slut. I mean, fake sluts just aren't. They're not good. They're not good. Basically, if you try and move to a fake slut, you're putting all this effort, working all your best lines, dancing up to her, trying to impress her all night. You get up to her, she'll give you a little tash on, a little kiss, you know, and that's bad. Fuck relationship. Go to China, mate. Sell yourself on the street. There you go. Yeah, mate. Shut your fucking mouth. Tasted of my chicken that I had earlier, because you know I'm black, so I always have fucking chicken. Right, that's the end of the first episode of my video blogs, whatever they're called. Thank you for watching. Follow me on Twitter. I'll put it in the description along with my Facebook and Skype. Yeah, thank you. Subscribe to my channel, Music of the Vacant, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.